Hi Lucy, how are you? Hi Lucy, what are you doing? Lester, a small Lester, why you go above refrigerator? Lucy, again, go above a fridge? I don't know. Yes, I saw all time. Lucy went above a fridge, but small Lester, why you go above a fridge? You're a good girl. Why you go? Why you go above a fridge? Not good. Not good. Lucy. Lucy, what are you doing? Lucy, what are you doing? Oh, clean. Stay. Oh, oh, Lucy. Lucy, Lucy. What are you doing, Lucy? Oh my God. Lucy, Lucy, what are you doing? Lucy, what are you doing? Oh, you want to fight with me? I love you. Why you want to fight with me? Yes. Not good. Oh, Lucy, Lucy, tell me. Tell me. My guys, you have this cat? All I want. Go above a fridge or no? See? Lucy, fight above a fridge. Danger. Maybe fall down. Oh my God. Lucy, you are a big boy. Why you fight? Why you fight? Oh, no, Lucy. Lucy, you should play and respect for a small Lester. Small Lester, good girl. Yes, good girl. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Please share this video and like this video and send comment for me. You have this cat? All time like go above a fridge or no? Yes or no? Oh, yes. Lucy all time likes sit near above and go above a fridge. Yes. Oh, Tiger coming. Tiger is his brother. Tiger, why you go? You go above a fridge. Not good, Yani. Calm down. All my guys see you and ask why all time Tiger and Lucy above a fridge. Huh? Tell me. See his face full of yellow hair. Yes. This show he fight for yellow cats. I don't know why. Two brothers all time fight with another cat. Lucy, Tiger is your brother. What are you doing? Oh my God. Thank you for watching this video. Please support us and comment and like and sharing this video for your friends.